Mercedes Pre-Safe is a revolutionary comprehensive safety system that represents the future of automotive protection technology. Pre-Safe is designed to prepare both the vehicle and its occupants for an imminent collision before it actually occurs. The system uses multiple advanced sensors, including radar, cameras, and ultrasonic sensors, to continuously monitor the vehicle's surroundings for potential threats. Pre-Safe can detect potential accidents up to 10 seconds before impact occurs, giving the system crucial time to prepare protective measures. When a threat is detected, Pre-Safe immediately initiates multiple protective measures to prepare occupants for impact. Seatbelts automatically tighten to secure occupants in the optimal position for maximum protection during the collision. Seats automatically adjust to move occupants into the safest position, typically more upright and away from potential impact zones. All windows and the sunroof automatically close to maintain the vehicle's structural integrity and prevent debris from entering the cabin. Pre-Safe sound emits specific sound frequencies that trigger the ear's natural protection reflexes, helping to prevent hearing damage from the collision noise. The primary goal of Pre-Safe is to minimize the severity of injuries by preparing occupants before the collision actually happens, significantly reducing the impact forces on the human body. This proactive approach to safety represents a fundamental shift from simply protecting during a crash to preventing injuries before they occur. Mercedes Pre-Safe offers several advanced safety features that work together to protect occupants before, during, and after potential collisions. Pre-Safe Brake provides autonomous emergency braking when a collision becomes unavoidable. The system detects potential impacts and automatically applies maximum braking force to reduce collision speed. Pre-Safe Impulse uses the seatbelt system to physically pull occupants away from the impact side during side collisions. This innovative feature can significantly reduce injury severity by repositioning passengers before impact. The latest Pre-Safe systems include vehicle-to-everything communication, allowing cars to receive safety warnings from other vehicles, traffic infrastructure, and even pedestrians with connected devices. Real-world data demonstrates Pre-Safe's effectiveness. The system reduces accident severity by an average of 42% and has achieved a 23% reduction in severe rear-end collisions on equipped vehicles. Pre-Safe comes standard on all Mercedes-Benz vehicles from the C-Class and above. The latest versions integrate artificial intelligence for enhanced prediction capabilities, analyzing driving patterns and environmental conditions to anticipate potential dangers up to 10 seconds before they occur.